In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email account to Outlook. We'll cover both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook, so you can follow along no matter which version you are using. Have your email address and password ready, and if your account uses multi-factor authentication, keep your phone or authenticator app nearby. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Open Outlook, then go to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the account information area where you can manage mail settings. Choose Add Account, which may appear as a button labeled Plus Add Account. A small window will open asking for your email address. Type it in carefully. Then click Connect. Outlook will reach out to your email provider and prompt you for your password. Enter your password and click Sign In or OK. If your email service requires multi-factor authentication, complete those prompts now. Approve the notification. Enter the code or follow the on-screen instructions from providers, like Google or Microsoft. Once authentication is successful, click Finish. Outlook will begin syncing your mailbox and you'll start seeing messages populate in your inbox shortly. Now let's walk through the new Outlook. Open the app and click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Or, if you prefer, go to the View tab and choose View Settings. In the Settings pane, navigate to Accounts, then select your accounts. Under Email Accounts, click Add Account. Outlook may suggest popular services like Gmail or Outlook.com. You can pick one of those or type a different email address and click Continue. You'll be guided through authentication. Enter your password when prompted, and if you are connecting services like Gmail or iCloud that require an app password, use that instead of your regular password. Follow any on-screen prompts until you see Done. Then select Done. Your account will start syncing and you'll see folders and messages appear as Outlook connects to your mailbox. A few quick tips as things sync. It's normal for the first sync to take a moment, especially if you have a large inbox. If you are prompted to allow permissions, that's Outlook requesting access to send and receive mail for your account. Approve those so everything works properly. If you enter your password but it doesn't authenticate, double-check for typos and ensure multi-factor prompts aren't waiting on another device. That's it, your email is now added to Outlook. Whether you are using the Classic or the new experience. Thanks for watching.